What if I told you that one of the best cures for colds and throat problems is right in your kitchen? We're not talking about the medicine you get at the pharmacy. We're talking about a very commonly used spice, oregano. Both oregano tea and oregano oil are chock full of properties that are beneficial to your health. The tea is rich in antioxidants, such as rosmarinic acid and thymol, which can fight free radicals. Furthermore, oregano tea has been used to treat bacterial infections and breathing problems for centuries. Regular consumption can also lower your cholesterol levels. Oregano oil has antibacterial, antiseptic, and healing properties. It can protect your immune system from viral and bacterial attacks, preventing a large variety of diseases. Furthermore, it contains several volatile oils with antifungal, carminative, and diuretic properties. The vitamins it contains are vitamins A, C, and E, as well as magnesium, iron, potassium, zinc, and calcium. In today's video, we're going to teach you to make oregano oil and tea to help you relieve swelling, treat throat pains, reduce the risk of asthma attacks, treat ear and throat infections, reduce nasal congestion, relieve back pain, headaches, and migraines, relieve cramps, relieve heartburn and gastric reflux, eliminate intestinal parasites, treat urinary tract infections and constipation, strengthen your heart. And, according to a recent study, everything indicates that oregano oil can even destroy cancer cells. However, this theory still has to be tested further. Here is how to make the tea. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of dry oregano leaves, 2 cups of water. Instructions: boil some water in a pot. After it has boiled, add the dry leaves and turn off the stove. Once that is done, let it steep for a while. You should drink 2 cups of this tea a day in order to improve your overall health. Oregano oil is a little harder to make, but it's worth it. Wash 3 tablespoons of oregano and let them air dry naturally on a paper towel. In the meanwhile, warm up a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Then put the olive oil and oregano leaves in a jar. Shake the jar to cover the oregano in the olive oil and begin the releasing of the oregano substances into the oil. Leave the jar in the refrigerator for 3 days in order for the mixture to steep. To take it, put a mouthful of water in your mouth. Lean your head back and pour 2 to 3 drops of the oil in your mouth, then swallow. Drink some water afterwards. Do this once a day for 7 days. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.